So, my friends, welcome to a new altcoin update video. Today we're talking about ETH and ENA. You requested this, and we haven't looked at it until now. I believe so. That's why we're going to take a closer look at it today. It has been a topic in the live stream several times, but now we're doing it as a complete video so that it's fully clear for YouTube as well. If one should get in here, what you should definitely pay attention to now, you'll find out all about it in today's update video. Before we start, free to give the video a like. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. And of course, feel free to check out the free Telegram talk and signal group if you're interested in updates, news, and signals. Feel free to join in. And if you're looking for an exchange source where you can buy ENA, you can do that at my partner exchange, BingX. You can find the link to that in the video description and in the comments section. And at the moment, there is another cool promotion where you get 1 ETH as a new customer. Points per 1,000. No, 1.5 points per 1,000. You can generate USDT trading volume and redeem those for some prizes. So, nice promotion down below. Feel free to sign up. So, let's move over to ETH. It's important we're currently trading at a market cap of $2 billion with a price of 70 cents. And technically speaking, we've talked about it several times in the live stream. And we've talked about that as well. Okay, we are currently in a very, very interesting buy zone. So for long-term investors, we currently have the golden pocket from this upward movement starting at 20 cents. Here, at just under $130, we're now right down at the golden pocket. We're at the pivot, and yes, that means we have a lot of support here. So from here, this is currently our buying zone, or rather, accumulation zone. And this goes up to just under 60 US cents. The next buying zone that I've picked out for you would be down here, this area around 37 cents. Why 37 US cents? Because we still have an inefficiency down here on the 4-hour time frame. The market is looking in a bearish worst-case scenario. If Bitcoin were to absolutely dump, it could still drop further. And the worst-case scenario would be the low down here at $20, which I wouldn't assume at the moment or for now. We're checking everything again with the daily time frame, looking at it here as well, and we can see, okay, it would fit very, very well. In efficiency from daily view, from here at this point, the enormous pump started. So down here, the buying zone fits, and this low down here is simply marked as the low. It fits. Otherwise, up here regarding the buying zone from now on, where we currently are. Zone selected because on one hand, we obviously have the golden pocket in here. We have the demand zone down here, and we have an inefficiency that hasn't quite been closed yet. But waiting for 3 or 4 cents now to close the inefficiency. That's why the buying zones are always a bit higher, because it's unlikely that we reach this point simultaneously on every exchange. I don't think so right now, at least not yet. Are we going to reach the all-time high? Our all-time high was up here at $1.54. That doesn't actually sound far now. It's a little more than 100% if we take a quick look at it. That's about 122%. Our look at the market cap, which is always very, very important, tells us it's going to get a bit more difficult because we had an all-time high back then, which was around $2 billion. The market cap all-time high due to the new tokens is at 4 billion. That means that, given the current situation, we simply need it again. A doubling of the market cap just to reach that all-time high. Isn't that not too unlikely, especially if there should be an altcoin season coming? Hey, just a joke. No, just kidding. If that should still happen, it's absolutely possible, in my opinion, so we shouldn't worry about that strong project. I don't know, I don't have enough knowledge about it. I haven't dealt with it enough. But many of you are invested, and I even believe it should be on the Trump list regarding US coins, if I'm not mistaken. Still, price targets, of course, if you want to take profits. Step Chuck 1 would definitely be the last all-time high at $1.52. As I said, that would be 152%. And then, since this thing hasn't had a bull run yet, let's assume that we at least run up to the 1.618 level here. That's usually the case that target levels are reached. That would be around $2.35, justifying a price increase of 240%. In my opinion, it's still a good risk to take here. We now have a strong support zone that's coming our way in the next few days, or rather where we currently are. So it's good for DCA. That's why not, I don't know yet if I will invest. Will I announce it separately again? But right now it's not on my list, especially because I already have so many altcoins in my portfolio. Feel free to write your opinion in the comments below about what you think of it. And otherwise, I would say we'll hear from each other again in the next altcoin update video. Feel free to add your wishes in the video description below. Otherwise, leave a like, subscribe, join the Telegram group, and of course, check out BingX. And that's it from me. Until then, ciao ciao, and as always, stay crypto.